Looks like these criminals are getting an early release, but nothing good ever comes from bad intentions. Miss Robbins is headed out and leaves little Lucy with the best babysitters. Listen to everything they say and behave. Finally, now we are gonna have a real good time. There's not a moment to lose. Looks like Lucy has won over her babysitters' hearts. Look at this adorable scene. She has them wrapped around her little finger. Oh, we are out of lemonade. I wish I had something else to drink. It's so hot. And then a stranger shows up. It's quite the entrance. Lucy, I'm your new teacher. You can call me Miss Sophie. Now, go to class. Okay, guys, pick those jaws up off the floor. Where's Miss Johnson? Just a little clarification. It's actually Amber, the villain, who's working with her partner, Bob. A little earlier, the villains kidnapped the real teacher. Poor Miss Johnson. And now they are making their evil scheme a reality to kidnap Lucy and demand a ransom. So, Amber starts the lesson. Toby and Sam are keeping an eye on the governess. What interesting shapes. Formulas. And Lucy isn't wasting any time. The portrait's ready. Toby and Sam are otherwise occupied. They fell under the fake teacher's spell. And Amber's having an awkward moment. Looks like this is about where her knowledge of chemistry runs out. Whatever, they won't know the difference. Think again. Lucy is very observant. The blue manicure and Amber's tattoo tip her off. Big mistake. Hey, there's something weird about this teacher. Seriously. But the babysitters are too love-struck. And Toby thinks Amber's tattoo is really nice. It's just like mine. Look, see? You've got to do some extra credit to make up for this failure. Let's get the test tubes and experiment. Wow, that's interesting. And that's when Lucy does her part. She clearly knows her way around chemicals. Whoa, that was an explosion. Amber's furious. Even the fearless Toby and Sam are a little shook. Meanwhile, Bob is up to no good in the kitchen. Well, actually, it looks pretty nice. He cleans up well as a professional housekeeper. Oops! Toby and Sam have found their way into the kitchen. Ha! Did you see her face? Hilarious! Hey! Now just who is that? I don't remember ordering a cleaning service. Okay, I give up! I give up! The guys get rid of the suspicious stranger fast. Well done, bro! Bob's first attempt turned out to be a failure. It's time for some ballet. Toby and Sam are having new experiences. Of course, they are not ready to do the dance of the little swans yet, but their effort is truly admirable. What grace! What subtle art and balance! Amber comes to check on the students' progress. Don't forget your posture. What's this? Looks like it's somebody's very funny underwear. Spoiler, Lucy's behind it. Sam's getting the governess's attention. Miss Sophie, did you see that? Oh my gosh, Toby, what's all this? Sam, I wouldn't be so happy if I were you. Just look at your tights. This is so embarrassing. They are burning with shame. Poor guys. Enraged, they fling accusations at each other. Fortunately, it doesn't last too long. Okay, truce, bro. It's strange that they don't know who the culprit was. Meanwhile, there's an electrician in the hallway with a suspiciously familiar face. The guys are too busy with ballet to be in touch with reality. No offense, bro? No offense. Wait, did we call an electrician? These guys don't have the brain cells for critical thinking. Oh no, not that! But Toby and Sam are going straight to action. Go on, take a hike, ballerina. Well, this guy really can't take a hint. I wonder how much more of this he can take. Lucy's getting ready for her next class. Toby and Sam want to smooth over the awkwardness. And they leave a little surprise for the governess. Look, don't say anything. Lucy clearly disapproves. I'll show you a surprise. This is the perfect opportunity to eat your favorite candy and tick off the evil governess. Jelly eyes instead of chocolate suit the scheme better. All you have to do is wrap them in foil and gently place them in the box. That will be a nice surprise. Oh, look, here she comes. Miss Sophie, there's a present for you. Oh, how nice. Now the trick is to sneak out of sight. My favorite chocolate. What is that? Eyes? The surprise was a success. Lucy sure did manage to rattle the imposter, but she can't run far. Another surprise is waiting at the door, in the form of scotch tape and polyester padding. Ah! Amber's nerves are starting to fray. Where's that little punk? Oh, here she is, celebrating her victorious prank. Playing football outside. What's better than this? Lucy's running around like a champ with her babysitters. And then Bob gets in Sam's sight.
Huh?
This time dressed up as a gardener? Did we call him? We didn't. Go ahead then. Ah, those expressive bruises under the eyes. Weren't the last 2 rounds enough, Bob? Looks like he's got another one coming. Yeah, that's right. Take that and take your hose with you. Yeah, better not mess with these guys. The intruders have an emergency meeting. Time to get serious. The threat of exposure is too great. Besides, my body can't handle being flung so much. Shut up! Let's spread out. Amber continues to play the role of the perfect teacher. She starts organizing a tea party. It's all right, except Toby and Sam are getting a laxative. Operation Disarm Nannies has begun. Boys, tea time! Here you go, right here. After football, it's so nice to indulge a little and complement the cookies with a nice tea. The effects of which set in instantly. Sam's holding out a little longer, but no, there he goes, running to the restroom as fast as he can. Babysitters neutralized. It's go time. Lucy is panicking. Who's going to protect her now? Ah, bad luck. There's only one toilet in the house, and it's locked. He has no choice but to kick the door down. Oh, what a surprise! It's this clown again. This time all dressed up as a plumber. No, please, anything but the porch. Guys, why don't I just jump off myself? Sure. Great free show. Don't forget your hat, plumber. Lucy's trying to hide from the villainous Amber. The bedroom might be her best bet. But not for long. Amber's after her. And she finds her target quickly. She ties Lucy up in the blink of an eye. But where is she taking her? Oh, here comes poor Bob. She's going to have to drag him too. Why did I even bring you? Looks like the laxatives have worn off. Toby and Sam regain their consciousness. And there's a nasty surprise waiting for them in the kitchen. A brick with a note. $100,000 to see your girl. What a twist! Toby and Sam are rushing to the rescue. Villain Amber has Lucy hidden in a small room. Poor girl, she's terrified. But there's still hope for salvation. In Sam's face. Hopping a fence is nothing for such a hero. Bro, why are you making this harder? There's a gate. Meanwhile, the satisfied criminals are heading out. And who do we see? Toby and Sam, obviously. The smackdown of the century is about to begin. And fight! Sam fights Bob. Wow, that's Sub-Zero! Despite Bob's feeble attempts, Sam quickly takes the win. X-ray! Now let's see how Toby's handling Amber. Fight! You sure can't say weaker sex about a girl like that. But Toby's not about to lose this fight. Direct face punch. Now the uppercut. And the fireball fatality. With Amber, it's settled. Win! This is better than Mortal Kombat. Yay! The way is open. Here comes little Lucy. How are you, sweetie? I'm so glad you were here. The insidious plan was foiled. The kidnappers are tied up and waiting for the cops to arrive. But Lucy and her friends are celebrating victory. Because we are a team. Want to know what happens next with these super babysitters? What do you think they'll get up to? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to share this video with your friends. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to our channel if you are new. Click on the bell so you don't miss the next installments of the story on Troom Wow!